The 2025 Toyota Hiace Luxury takes the iconic practicality of the Hiace and elevates it into a realm of premium comfort and sophistication. Designed with executive-level transportation in mind, the exterior features a sleek, modern design with bold lines and a more refined front fascia. Inside, the 2025 Hiace Luxury is where true refinement comes to life. The cabin is designed to prioritize passenger comfort, featuring plush leather seating with ample legroom, adjustable headrests, and reclining seats. Premium materials like wood accents, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting contribute to a serene and welcoming atmosphere. The Hiace Luxury also includes advanced technology, such as a high-resolution infotainment system with a large touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. Rear passengers benefit from climate-controlled air vents, individual entertainment screens, and additional USB charging ports, making long journeys enjoyable and stress-free. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Hiace Luxury is powered by an efficient yet robust engine that ensures smooth performance whether navigating city streets or highways. Its advanced suspension system provides a comfortable and controlled ride, absorbing bumps and ensuring minimal road noise for a peaceful driving experience. Safety remains a top priority, with Toyota's Safety Sense suite offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The 2025 Hiace Luxury masterfully blends the practicality of a van with the premium touches of a luxury vehicle, making it a standout choice for businesses and individuals seeking high-end passenger transportation. The larger windows and sliding doors provide an air of spaciousness, making the Hiace Luxury perfect for both business and high-end passenger transport.